You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this river. Of course, in Australia, that's Australia's longest river. If you want to learn more names from Oz, stay tuned. Got more confusing videos for you. Murray River, how to pronounce, that's how it's pronounced in Australia and how it should be said elsewhere too. It's not Murray, looks like it should be Murray, but no, Murray River. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.